In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restrict who can create boards on Trello. If you're managing a team and want to prevent members from creating new boards without approval, this setting is controlled at the workspace level, not the individual board level. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can lock this down in less than a few minutes. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello and productivity tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Trello in your web browser and log into your account. This method works on desktop or any web browser, and the key thing to remember is that board creation permissions are managed inside your workspace settings. So once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and locate the name of the workspace where you want to restrict board creation. Click on your workspace name to open it. After you're inside the workspace view, look for the option labeled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on Workspace Settings. This is where you control permissions, visibility, and other important administrative features for your team. Once the Settings page opens, click on the Settings tab if it's not already selected. Inside this section, you'll see multiple configuration options that control how your workspace behaves. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Board Creation. This is the exact setting that determines who can create new boards inside this workspace. By default, many workspaces are set to Workspace Members. If it says Workspace Members, that means anyone who is a member of this workspace can create a new board at any time. While that can be useful for small teams, it can quickly become messy in larger organizations where you want more structure and control. To restrict board creation, click on the drop-down next to Board Creation. You'll see the available options. Change it from Workspace Members to Workspace Admins Only. When you select Workspace Admins Only, you are limiting board creation strictly to users who have admin privileges within the workspace. As soon as you make this change, Trello will automatically apply the new permission setting. There's no separate Save button required in most cases, but always double-check that the setting now displays Workspace Admins Only to confirm the update was successful. Now, what does this actually mean for your team? From this point forward, normal workspace members will no longer be able to create new boards. If they attempt to do so, they simply won't have the option available. Only workspace admins will have the ability to generate new boards, helping you maintain better organization, prevent duplicate boards, and control project structure more effectively. If you ever need to reverse this change, you can follow the exact same steps. Go back to Workspace Settings, open the Settings tab, find Board Creation, and switch it back to Workspace Members. This flexibility allows you to adapt permissions as your team grows or your workflow changes. One important thing to keep in mind is that this setting only affects board creation within that specific workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, you'll need to repeat this process in each one where you want to restrict board creation. And that's it. That's how you restrict who can create boards on Trello by adjusting your workspace settings. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your projects organized and your team aligned. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, team management guides, and productivity walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.